All right, guys, so we're looking at a 1 minute candlestick chart for the day. And like I said, we're going to have a high coming out of the pre-market. There's it looks like we establish resistance when we have that sell-off from the little pop right around the open. And then we have a dip after failing to breach that resistance level. We should have a couple more tests against resistance level based on the 10 to 11 card. Indicates multiple failed attempts to breach resistance, or multiple attempts to breach resistance, not necessarily failed. But in the case of this day, it looks like failed, and then between the 11 o'clock hour we have that sharp dip in a period of otherwise volatile behavior. It's interesting that that card is the correlation for that dip is the peace card. So that's a little interesting because the peace card, generally speaking, it says there's not a lot of volatility. Being that it's correlated with the Queen of Swords, though, it's a different story. We should have some news coming out then as well. What I'm looking to do is we're gonna have a big move higher the second half of the day. I'm looking to open some day trades, some long positions around 1 o'clock roughly. There should be some news, like I said, just before 12, around probably a pop higher from there, confirming some sort of breakout. But then we have a drop. There should be some sort of, maybe not a drop, but we should have some sort of low right around 1 o'clock, and that's where I would likely be jumping in with some long positions. At which point I would look to sell them towards the end of the day, right around the close, where I would also open some protection. The pre-market or the preview card for the following day is a bearish card. All right, guys, stay tuned.